Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. Today we are watching some headlines. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. Battery 313 unit. Taliban shows up special forces in propaganda blitz. Center hikes family pension, NPS contribution for bank staff. All you need to know. Headingley Test. England in the lead after India bowled out for paltry 78. Taliban appoints ex Guantanamo detainee appointed defense minister. KBC 13's Swati Srilekha failed to answer this 12.5 lakh question. Afghans with legal papers will be able to travel beyond August 31, Taliban tell Germany. Gujarat man forgets condom, seals his private parts with adhesive dyes. Headingley Test. Agarkar questions India's decision to open bowling with Ishan. Who owns the railway station Jijaji Nirmala Sitaraman's Jibe at Rahul Gandhi? What wrong did I do? Rane takes dig at CM Thakre's bit Yogi with chappal remark. So I have completed this headline session. Namaskar.